What up, guys? We got a bit to do to the car today. I just finished spraying it down, but today we need to, this wire right here, this is for the starter solenoid. We gotta put that into the fuse panel. So yeah, that's straight from the fuses. It's 30 amps. Then we have to hook up our alternator. I also got to spray this down. We got our battery cable in, 4 gauge. So we gotta measure that and figure out how we're gonna run that from the starter and the alternator and the battery. I guess we'll test fit these two. So I finished this. That's for the starter solenoid, put it to the fuse. I used a 22 gauge O-ring terminal and just took the screw all the way out, fed it through the O-ring, and then that worked out pretty well. And I got it mounted up decently. Alright, so this is a problem. Oh no! How are we gonna supply power to here? We went to Harbor Freight, got the creme tool, and we also got all our cable lugs for the battery cable. We got all our cable lugs from the battery cable, and then we got our crimp tool from Harbor Freight. So right now I'm just gonna go ahead and start measuring out the wire, getting everything crimped on and ready to go. You can see I put the loom over the 4 gauge wire, and I crimped these cable lugs on the end with heat shrink. So now I just need to do the alternator and the starter. We're installing the circuit breaker for the battery. We're gonna put it right here. You can see my 2 marks I made with a Sharpie. It's gonna sit just like that. I wanted to do it in the trunk at first, but it's too close to the gas tank and the filler neck, so I'm just gonna run it inside. Right here is a decent spot. So we're gonna try and hook that up. So this is all I'm gonna do for tonight, but I got that cable lug on and I crimped it down with the tool and I measured it out, and you can see it goes straight to the circuit breaker inside. But it's looking good. All we gotta do is mount up 2 cable lugs to there that go to the alternator and the starter. And we got plenty of battery cable left, so that's amazing. We're gonna clean up right now and finish off tomorrow. Alright, so the 240 still looks a little messy, but it's actually really organized and clean. I got all my electrical stuff put away, everything's organized, my zip ties, heat shrink, some writing paper, loom. But here's the circuit breaker. We got this going to the battery along with this right here. So you can see right there how I have it connected and how everything is routed underneath. Alternator and my starter cables. You can see I have those routed nice and neat all the way back, and they both go into the circuit breaker. So I'm going to show you what they look like inside the engine. That one goes to the starter and this one comes right up here to the alternator. I actually utilized this alternator cover from the previous harness to cover it up, and that worked out pretty well. Yeah, so that's about it. So follow my IG. Next video's coming out. It's going to be filmed with a GoPro, so stay tuned for that. Until then, check out the Vanel merch store if you guys want some slaps, stickers, decals. Got more coming out. But subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you guys want to see, and I'll catch y'all boys next time.